Hello and welcome to another PC and Tech Authority how-to video. My name is Sholto McPherson. Today we're going to look at how to reduce your printing costs. We put together a number of steps from basic through to advanced that at the end should show you how to reduce how much you spend on printing by half or more. Now the main reason businesses spend so much on print is often staff have no controls over how they print or what they print. And colour is a real killer here, because every colour print costs you 3 times as much as a mono or black and white print. A simple step such as changing the default on your employees' computers to printing black and white first will reduce the number of unnecessary colour prints. And that means that users have to think first about whether they need colour and then actively select it from the drop-down print dialog box. Let's take a look at how to do that. In Windows 7, click on the Start button and select Devices and Printers. Right-click on the printer and select Printing Preferences. Click on the Colour tab and set it to mono, then hit Apply and OK. Now if you're printing from Word, just print as usual, don't have to change any other settings, and the print will automatically come out in black and white. If you want to print in colour, select Print again, and in the Printer dialog box select Properties, and go back to that Colour tab, select Advanced Colour, hit OK, and OK to print in colour. This is fine to set if you have a handful of PCs on your network, but if you have a larger business, check out the free software that comes with some printers. Some programs will let you control the default print settings for all users on a single network. Here we are using Oki's Colour Access Policy Manager to enforce printing for all users of the Office printer. Start the application and add the printer. I'm selecting USB for Direct Connect and then search to find it. There it is, and now let's add it to a new group called Office Group. You'll need to enter the admin password for your printer, which you should find in the manual for the printer, and just close that window. And there you see the printer up there on the left. And now we can add policies for printing. So select New Policy from the Policy menu at the top. And let's add a policy by application. So we're going to type in the name of our browser there. We'll select Mono Only and click Add. Now we've got to apply it to the printer itself. So we select the printer, click Add, and hit Apply. Once it's applied, just close that window, and everything you print from your browser should come out in black and white. So let's go to our browser, click on Print in the menu, hit Print there, and there you go, a black and white print. For walk-up copying, some printers have a physical button that splits in two, black and white on one side, colour on the other, which makes it easier to choose at the time of printing whether you really do need colour. 2 other points about cutting your printing costs. One is to look at bundling the cost of your printer, the ink, the paper, and routine maintenance into a 3-year contract with a printer company. The advantage here is that you get a single cost per printed page or cost per print, and you don't have to worry about buying your paper and ink separately. It also means you can negotiate for your total printing costs at a fixed, lower price. The second point is around buying printers. The worst way to buy a printer is to walk in and pick the one with the cheapest price tag. Cheaper printers often cost more in the long run because they use more ink per page, which means you need to buy more replacement toner cartridges or ink cartridges. A slightly more expensive printer can save 3 to 4 times the difference in price over the life of that printer through lower printing costs. It's also important to ask questions such as, what is this printer's total cost of ownership? And how many pages do you get per cartridge? That's it for this how-to video. For more how-tos, check out the PC and Tech Authority magazine, website, and tablet edition, which is available on iTunes.